Hello everyone. So now I'm going to show you how to cooking fried rice. Fried rice normally the ingredients, so there are some rice and there are some veggies like carrot, long bean and soybean, and any people they interested flavor they can put some veggies more cabbage. And before we cooking fried rice, we put a little bit of soya sauce. Ingredient we put salt and chicken powder and sugar a little bit. Mainly before we cooking, so we have to deep fry garlic. Deep fry garlic we deep fry with butter, make rice more tasty. After deep fry garlic with butter, and then we put steamed rice and put veggies in there. Okay, so you see the color is looks so beautiful. We put uh, butter and tamaric as well to make fried rice more color yellow food. It is very good, very tasty. And yeah, that's it. The ingredient just simple fried rice. And if you want to put anything more, you can put. But for us, that's it. Fried rice normally, fried rice we top up with egg. This is simple fried rice. Our specialize in our red apple. Okay, you see, looks so beautiful, colorful. So, alright. So our customer hope they will be enjoy. Because normally fried rice everyone they put with vegetable oil, but for us we cooking with butter. Especially we put turmeric. Turmeric is more colorful. Oh, it's yummy. Bye bye.